$5 and change per month for your ottomans.
Pick two colors together.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
This is a great gift. I actually bought 2 sets for myself. I should be giving them as gifts. But there are 3 different sets to choose from. Walk us through that,
This
if you
is
will.
the everyday set. I love the colors. I love these words of inspiration, not just to fill your home, but to fill those homes of those you love and you're sharing gifts with this holiday season. Each will come with its own sheer bag, so you can turn it on and give it, illuminate it if you're giving it in person. But look at the beautiful words that are filling our everyday collection. Words like love and family and friends and home. And you'll see on each candle, all the words are represented, but one word is largest. So on that beautiful, rich burgundy, love is the largest. On this gorgeous chocolate brown, home is the largest word. On this beautiful teal, it's friends, and on the silver, it's family. I love the coloration in that set for every day.
So that's called Every Day.
Every day, and really every day in color. This is holiday in its coloration. So here we really do have words that are a little more seasonally appropriate. The Everyday and Harvest, I think, have a year-round application. This is Jingle Jolly, cheer and merry. So merry, jingle, jolly, cheer, and it's burgundy, silver, gold, and green. And look at those gorgeous colors. Look at the beautiful gift bags. I love that these are gift friendly, ready to go. 4 gorgeous gifts. 2 AA batteries. Is it 500 hours of illumination? 300 hours of illumination. 5 is the timer. 5-hour timer, 300 hours of illumination. And this we call the harvest set. The words aren't necessarily harvest, but the colors, if you love those autumn colors, are for you. The purple, the sage, the chocolate, and the bronze. And the words are give thanks, blessings, grateful hearts, and welcome. Wow. So again, these words are beautiful. Look at the sage has blessings as the largest word. And you can see how it spins all the way around and you can read it that way. Give thanks down here, and the beautiful bronze is give thanks. This chocolate, the largest word is welcome. These, they're beautiful. I love the satin finish. I love the way the mirror inside gives you the reflection of the flame. I don't know if we are able to cue the lights just a little bit, but for you to see the magnificent glow that comes from these. The words are beautiful. The light is uplifting. The fact that it's 4 gifts is just, think about 4 people in your life that mean a lot to you that you want to share these.
We've sold 100,000 sets. Now I want to remind you, this set right here is called Harvest. This set in the middle is called Holiday, and the set to the other side is called Everyday. Those are the words you'll need to use when you place your order. But I want you to know we've sold 100,000 of these sets. And just so you also recognize, the price tag is $27.45. That comes out to a little more than $6 each for the gift. And the other thing too is that what's so fun is you can give it already lit. Like you could hand somebody the bag, and all you have to do is turn it on underneath, and you could hand them the gift already lit. So beautiful.
Those of you that picked up our garland, that ivory and gorgeous sage, look at how this set, the holiday set, has the silver, it has the green, it has the gold. We actually borrowed the chocolate from the Harvest set because I love how the chocolate just punctuated that color, gave it a little pops. But there is a richness and a beauty to this. You could have added the other holiday color, which was red, and then put a little red accent here as well. But look at how beautifully it illuminates that stunning garland, or the other garland that you're using down the center of your table.
If you have grandkids and you want to give them words to encourage them, you know, maybe you want to encourage them to count their blessings, or maybe you want them to understand what a grateful heart is all about, or what it's like to constantly give thanks. You know, if you want to give one to a friend who is always welcoming you into their home, that's the Harvest set that I just rattled off. The blessings, the gratefulness, the give thanks, the welcome. But then you've got the holiday set, which says merry, jingle, jolly, and cheer. And the everyday set says love, family, friends, and home.
These are so pretty. Look at just 3 of the 4 candles scattered amongst this beautiful lit garland. Coming up in a moment, we'll give you that item number. Tucked in with our little red birds. but the simplicity, and yet it looks so beautifully set for you to enjoy all season long. Our taper candles there on either end.
Right.
There's
Valerie?
just a sweet beauty to it.
You are known for your Christmas candle collections. Is this it for this year?
This
I
is
mean,
it for this year.
Yeah.
This is it. So those of you looking to share candles with those you love, those points of light, that inspirational lift, I love sharing words that have meaning.
Yeah.
Give, I love to give. We all have love languages, and it's acts of service, and I think there are 5, but I love to give. I also, I like to give.
You do.
I love to
You love
receive
to
gifts
receive.
too.
But you love to give.
I love equipping you with beautiful, meaningful